Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my wig review for this, I think, absolutely stunning human hair wig, which is called the 15-inch Star Cap by Popwigshop. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to Popwigshop for sending me this piece so I can review it for you. I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box so you can find it quickly and easily. So let's start. I am so excited. If you haven't seen my unboxing of this one, then I would urge you to do so because I have styled it in the way that suits me. When it comes out of the box, I will put a picture in. It is straight and it's a little bit floppy, at least this piece that I was sent. So, but it's not unusual. As with any other human hair wig, you will just have to style it. For me, that's the beauty of human hair wigs, because it feels like I have my bio hair back, so I can do what I want with it. So let's start with the color. This is color 6, 12, 14. So what you have is a medium chestnut brown, and then you have some light golden brown and some medium ash blonde highlights in here. So that really lifts this color. Here's the color outside, so hopefully that will give you a good idea of what this color looks like outside in the natural light. You can get this in different colors. So as I said, the link is down below in the description box. So have a look. If this color isn't quite for you, have a look. There are other colors you can choose from. So let's talk about this wig in itself. So as I said, when it comes out straight out of the box, it is straight. So it is a longer bob style, I would say. As I said, I have styled it. I am not the best at styling, but I just thought I'd put some waves in because I think that looks really nice on this one. However, when I straightened it, and I will put a picture up here as well, when it looks straightened, it's really pretty as well. So let's talk about the cap construction. Now it's a silk top wig with a temple to temple lace front. So let's look at this lace front. So it comes with the lace being about up till down here, so you will have to trim it. But I think it does look really well done. It has some bleached knots as well, and it has a little bit of an irregular hairline, which I really like. It almost looks like you have a little bit of a widow's peak here, and then it goes up and round, and it's just a more natural look. Silk top is amazing. It looks so realistic. So let's talk about the fit. This fits me beautifully. This is an M size cap. I have a 21.5-inch circumference. You can get different sized caps for this one. So you can have an S, a medium, and a large. So I would urge you to look at the website, maybe even contact them to really ask which size they think is the best for your circumference and measurements, etc. So I went for this size and it fits me absolutely beautiful. And talking about fit and how it wears, this is a really comfortable wearing experience. I haven't come across that many wigs that are this comfortable to wear. It's beautiful, and when I show you the cap construction, you will see why it is so comfortable. But it's also because I think there are different sizes that you can choose from that which fits you the best, and therefore it just hugs you really nicely. I don't need any adhesives whatsoever. So I have nothing, I don't even have a wig grip on. I can move it round as much as I like, and I don't feel it move at all. And that's just absolutely amazing. So this is human hair. It's so soft. When it came out of the box, it felt soft. And I thought, I'm going to wash this. I need to wash it. I need to know what the quality is, because if you're new to wigs and you're not aware of it, if you get a human hair wig, manufacturers can just coat it in I don't know what to make it look all nice and shiny and tangle free and frizz free. When you wash it, it obviously all comes off, and then the real quality of the hair is revealed, and you might end up with really tangly hair, really frizzy hair, etc. So I needed to know what the quality of this hair is. So I washed it, air dried it. That's another thing, check that you air dry it. Don't blow dry it dry or straighten it dry. Let it air dry, because that will show you the real texture of the hair as well as the real quality. So I air dried it. I do have a video on when I washed it as well, if you're interested in that. So have a look on my channel there, you will find it. It air dried absolutely beautifully. It remained really soft. There was no frizz. There was no tangling. And now I've been wearing it a few times again and styled it a few times again. And all of this is still true. So it is amazing quality human hair. And I hope you can see, even though I styled a few times with heat tools, but I used heat protectant spray, it still looks really, really good. So I had this now for about 2 months, 3 months, something like that. And absolutely beautiful. Still really good. And I cannot get over how comfortable this cap is. So the density on here, you do have a little bit of hair. It's not massive, but it's not a low density piece either. I always notice that when I do like a half up, half down, how much hair is still left and how much I actually have still in my hand. So you can see that there is a good amount. For someone like me who likes low density pieces, I still really love this. This is gorgeous. And I even added some waves to it, which makes it look even more voluminous. But I just think this is a really natural piece. Really natural. Styling, so you have human hair, so you can obviously straighten it, etc. It is long enough that you can have a low pony, which is lovely. You can have a half up, half down. You have a few short layers here at the front, and they will fall out, and it's absolutely adorable. Tucking can happen, and I think it's adorable, but it does fall out a little bit like so. So as I said, there is quite a bit of hair here, and you also have big ear tabs, and I will show you the cap construction in a minute. So you can tuck it, but it might take you a go or two to do so. And your ears slightly stick out, but it is possible. Because of the lace front, you could pull back the fringe like so, or more in the middle like so. Cute. And then, as I said, you can add different types of waves here if you have the skills. I get the waves that my straightening iron wants to give me. I have no control over that. So let's look at this so comfortable cap construction. As you just seen, I just take it off. I have nothing on here. There is nothing to hold the wig except the wig. No glue, adhesives, and it sits like a glove on me. It's beautiful. So you have a lace front. So it kind of runs a little bit under the ear tabs here. This is how big the ear tabs are, and they are silicone covered. So you have quite a bit of silicone around the cap at the front, and this helps to secure it to your head so beautifully. Really, and it's comfortable. You have really soft material here at the back. It's like velvet. Same at the nape, really soft, and it's extended nape. You have hook adjusters, and then you have that silk top here. And gosh, this is, again, it's the same, kind of the same material that it's here. It's so soft. Everything about this cap is made for comfort. It's also, and I've been wearing it in the UK heat, and we had like 30 something degrees, and it felt comfortable. Obviously, you sweat. That's no matter if you have hair on or not. In that heat, you sweat. But this was made not uncomfortable sweating. You know, it was just, it felt like it regulated my temperature a little bit, and it was therefore fairly comfortable to wear in the heat. And that says something, I think. Very amazing cup construction. I really would urge you to have a look at the website. There are obviously other styles available as well. As I said, the link to this exact piece is down below in the description box. This is color 6, 12, 14. Other color options are available. Other cup sizes are available. If you are interested in seeing more of this wig, I have an unboxing short. I have an unboxing extended version video, and I have a tutorial on how I cut the lace. I have a tutorial on how I washed the hair and how I achieved that it moves back rather than keep falling into your face. And I have a styling video as well. So go and check it out if you want to see more, especially how it comes out of the box. It does need a little bit of work to get it looking like this, but as I said, this is not unusual for human hair wigs at all. I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you again to Popwigshop for sending me this beautiful piece. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below, and I hope I see you really, really soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.